In a few minutes, we will be witnessing a pleasant and blissful performance by the students of Guru Soumya Prakash in the form of dance drama. Students of varying ages, from small girls to ladies who have been drawn to Guru Soumya just by their love for dance. What makes Guru Soumya Prakash unique, as you've heard the others say, is her humility and commitment in keeping her learning spirit alive. Being well trained by exponents and earning accolades for her performances in various dance forms has only triggered her spirit further to share her passion. She was the first one to note that there were women who were keen to dance but did not have the opportunity to be trained or to perform. She made available a platform for them to follow their urge. This kindled the formation of Natya Mayuri, a group of ladies coming together to chase their passion, dance. Despite their busy schedules, either at work or at home, she pioneered in creating the ladies group, Natya Mayuri, a year ago. You will also witness those lovely, enthusiastic ladies performing today. A mixed group of professionally trained ladies as well as amateurs. I humbly request you to ignore the minor imperfections and just give in to the sheer spirit of dance. A lot of hard work and dedication has gone behind putting up this massive show. We present to you Rudram, a dramatic depiction invoking divinity and faith, a dance drama based on various stories of Lord Shiva, incorporated from the traditional series to depict different instances and situations from mythological times. In its own right, it is also depicting Shakti. We will soon realize why. Because we will see the woman power, most of the dancers, the ladies and the girls, when they come up on stage. Rudram is choreographed and directed by Guru Soumya Prakash, portrayed through the scintillating screenplay by Mr. Biju Kirakanella, that surely promises a visual treat that will gently prod memories of our tradition and faith and leave lasting impressions and an awesome experience for the audience today. Biju Bhai, as we call him fondly, has been the primary source of strength in the making of Rudram. His commitment and ownership of this initiative has instilled a true spirit in the rest of the dancers to bring out the best in them. He will not let them until the artist in them has come out in full form. That is Biju Bhai for us. Ms. Nisha, also a member of the Natya Mayuri group, has ably supported Guru Soumya as the assistant director for this drama. It was important that this message reaches a larger audience. So there was a lot of translation involved. Our own indigenous translator, Ms. Miduna Srikant, has done a fantastic job. The dramatic feel of the show has been intensified by the artwork and music by Mr. Shaji Navarasa. He's never seen on stage. You'll have to actually look for him somewhere. But his presence is felt throughout the drama in the nuances he's brought, either in the art form or in the music or in the background scores. We are deeply indebted to him for his meticulous work and unbelievable commitment. We thank you, sir. You're such a valuable member, not just in the orchestra, but of the Natya Mayuri family. Thank you very much. Rudram, the dance drama, will be performed by over 56 artists on this very stage, including 20 women from Natya Mayuri and 35 girls from Pratibha Natya Kshetra. We have Mr. Jasir supporting us as the narrator, who will guide us through the entire show. The entire team has worked extremely hard besides their regular routine just to present you with a one-of-a-kind experience. Please put your hands together, sit back, and get ready to enjoy this experience. Again, this experience would not have been possible without our sponsors. We wish to thank our sponsors for their support: Gemini Group, Lulu Exchange, Lulu Group, Malabar Gold, Ghee Rice Restaurant, Express Studio, White Feather, Holland Flowers, Al Sabil Group of Companies, and Best Cargo. A big thank you. Our special thanks to World Vision for being our channel partner and Redex Media, our media partner. We express our gratitude to all of you who have taken time to come here to witness this show and show your support. We promise you fond memories of this evening. Let's all get prepared to treat ourselves to the feast of rhythm and melody. We present to you Rudram.
സത്യവും മിഥ്യയും ഒക്കെയാവാം. നാം കാണുന്നത് നന്മയാണ്, നന്മയുടെ നേർക്കാഴ്ച. സ്നേഹപൂർവം നിങ്ങളുടെ അനുഗ്രഹത്തോടുകൂടി കർട്ടൻ ഉയരുകയാണ്. രുദ്രം.
This is Mount Kailash, the pious place where the God of gods abode, the place where Sri Mahadevan and Devi Parvati resides. Mahadevan or Shiva is the third god in the Hindu triumvirate, or as we call it is as Trimurti. The Trimurti consists of three gods who are responsible for the creation, upkeep and destruction of the evil. Lord Shiva is considered to be the Lord of mercy and compassion with lots of disciplinary principles. Shiva represents the Lord of dance and rhythms. Rudram, it's a combination of spiritually yet rhythmic depiction of various stories combined into one art form.
Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Nagendra Haraya Trilochanaya Bhasmangaragaya Maheshwaraya. Nagendra Haraya त्रिलोचनाय भस्मागरागाय महेश्वराय नित्याय शुद्धाय दिगंबराय तस्मै नकाराय नमः शिवाय नित्याय शुद्धाय दिगंबराय तस्मै नकाराय नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय मंदाकिनी सलिल चंदन चर्चिताय नंदीश्वर प्रमथनाथ महेश्वराय मंदाकिनी सलिल चंदन चर्चिताय नंदीश्वर प्रमथनाथ महेश्वराय मंदार मुख्य बहुपुष्प सुपूजिताय तस्मै मकाराय नमः शिवाय मंदार मुख्य बहुपुष्प सुपूजिताय तस्मै मकाराय नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय शिवाय गौरी वदनाब्ज वृंद सूर्याय दक्षाध्वरे नाशकाय शिवाय गौरी वदनाब्ज वृंद सूर्याय दक्षाध्वरे नाशकाय श्रीनीलकंठाय वृषध्वजाय तस्मै शिकाराय नमः शिवाय श्रीनीलकंठाय वृषध्वजाय तस्मै शिकाराय नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय वसिष्ठ कुंभोद्भव गौतमार्य मुनीन्द्र देवार्चित शेखराय वसिष्ठ कुंभोद्भव गौतमार्य मुनीन्द्र देवार्चित शेखराय चंद्रार्क वैश्वानर लोचनाय तस्मै वकाराय नमः शिवाय चंद्रार्क वैश्वानर लोचनाय तस्मै वकाराय नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय यक्ष स्वरूपाय जटाधराय पिनाकहस्ताय सनातनाय यक्ष स्वरूपाय जटाधराय पिनाकहस्ताय सनातनाय दिव्याय देहाय दिगंबराय तस्मै यकाराय नमः शिवाय दिव्याय देहाय दिगंबराय तस्मै यकाराय नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय पंचाक्षरम् इदं पुण्यं यः पठेत् शिवसन्निधौ शिवलोकमवाप्नोति शिवेन सह मोदते
हत्तदिन्दा हत्तिकिटत्तं गणा हत्तदिन्दा नन्दिकिटत्तं गढिं धिं गणत्तं गढिं धिं गणत्तं गनुतकिट गणत्तं धिं धिं गणत्तं गनुतकिट गणत्तं गढिं धिं गणत्तं गता हत्तधन्ना धन्ना धन्न धन्न धन्ना हत्तधन्ना धन्ना धन्न 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 तत धन्नु तत धिम्मि तत तरिगिटतं तत धन्न तत धन्नु तत धिम्मि तत तरिगिटतं तत धन्न तत धन्नु तत धिम्मि तत किटतक तरिगिटतं तत प्रभुं प्राणनाथं विभुं विश्वनाथं जगन्नाथनाथं सदानन्दभाजम् प्रभुं प्राणनाथं विभुं विश्वनाथं जगन्नाथनाथं सदानन्दभाजम् भवद्भव्यभूतेश्वरं भूतनाथं शिवं शङ्करं शम्भुमीशानमीडे भवद्भव्यभूतेश्वरं भूतनाथं शिवं शङ्करं शम्भुमीशानमीडे गले रुण्डमालं तनौ सर्पजालं महाकालकालं गणेशाधिपालम् गले रुण्डमालं तनौ सर्पजालं महाकालकालं गणेशाधिपालम् जटाजूटगङ्गोत्तरङ्गैर्विशिष्य शिवं शङ्करं शम्भुमीशानमीडे जटाजूटगङ्गोत्तरङ्गैर्विशिष्य शिवं शङ्करं शम्भुमीशानमीडे रामाकरं मण्डलं मण्डयन्तं महामण्डलं भस्मभूषाधरं तम् रामाकरं मण्डलं मण्डयन्तं महामण्डलं भस्मभूषाधरं तम् अनादिं ह्यपारं महामोहमारं शिवं शङ्करं शम्भुमीशानमीडे अनादिं ह्यपारं महामोहमारं शिवं शङ्करं शम्भुमीशानमीडे वटाधो निवासं महाठाठवासं महापापनाशं सदा सुप्रकाशम् वटाधो निवासं महाठाठवासं महापापनाशं सदा सुप्रकाशम् गिरीशं गणेशं सुरेशं महेशं शिवं शङ्करं शम्भुमीशानमीडे गिरीशं गणेशं सुरेशं महेशं शिवं शङ्करं शम्भुमीशानमीडे
Kailasanada, Lord of the universe, being your better half, I feel so honored and blessed. All pranams from Devi Parvati to you, my Lord.
Devi Parvati, you are my eternal love. I am extremely happy with your kindness and dedication. You are Adi Shakti, legendary example for woman power and world peace. Your virtues are truly a blessing in my life.
Prapanjanayaka, Mahadeva. This must be another mischief of Lord Narada, isn't it? The decision of not dividing the sweet fruit among our children has left me quite disturbed.
Devi Parvati, you must believe one thing. Narad Muni never brings a matter before us without knowing its virtue.
പിതാവേ പ്രണാമം അമ്മേ ദേവി പാർവതി പ്രണാമം ഹായ് ഈസ് ദിസ് ഫ്രൂട്ട് ഫോർ മീ
No, never. I am the eldest son, so this fruit is for me.
ഇംപോസിബിൾ സിൻസ് ഐ ആം ദ യങ്ങസ്റ്റ് ആൻഡ് ദ മോസ്റ്റ് അഡോറബിൾ ചൈൽഡ് ഓഫ് മദർ ദേവി പാർവതി ദിസ് ഈസ് ഷുവർലി ഫോർ മീ
It's better to end this argument for this sweet fruit.
Yes, very true. Then, to whom shall we give this sweet fruit, Prapanjanayaka? The one and almighty who resolves all the situations can also find a solution for this.
Then listen to my instructions to acquire this fruit. Whosoever among the two of you can travel around the universe thrice and reach here first will get the fruit.
Yes, I am ready to take up this challenge. To go around the universe thrice, I am commencing my journey right away.
Ganesha, don't you want to take up this challenge?
Your instruction was to go around the universe thrice, isn't it? My world is right before me.
I didn't understand, Ganesha.
The universe is not out there, it is right here. My parents are my universe. The love and care that we get from our parents can never be sought from anywhere in the universe. That is the truth. I pay my obligation, love and care to my parents. I bow down to my parents with utmost reverence.
My dearest and righteous son Ganesha, we are very happy and pleased with your devotion. May you be worshipped for wisdom,
knowledge and success. Sarvamangalam bhavantu.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यकलक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्म सदाराध्याय गुरुपुत्र परित्रात्रे गुरुपाखण्ड खण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि गूढगुल्फाय गन्धमत्ताय गोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
ദിഗംബരൻ, ത്രയംബകൻ, നടരാജൻ, നീലകണ്ഠൻ. Shiva is known for his symbolized attributes and ornaments. His iconographical attributes and accessories are the snake Vasuki around his neck, crescent moon, Rudrakshamala, Trishul and Damru. He has always been referred to a Trayambaka with the third eye in the middle of his forehead. He is an omniscient yogi seen with a trishul and damru that indulges him in cosmic dances. Lord Shiva's body is entirely covered with vibhuti or the sacred ash, followed by wearing a tiger skin that symbolizes victory over any kind of force. Sarvam Shivamayam.
भो शंभो शिव शंभो स्वयंभो 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 गंगाधर शंकर करुणाकर मामव भवसागर तारक गंगाधर शंकर करुणाकर मामव भवसागर तारक भो शंभो शिव शंभो स्वयंभो भो शंभो शिव शंभो स्वयंभो निर्गुण पर ब्रह्म स्वरूप गम गम भूत प्रपंच रहित निर्गुण पर ब्रह्म स्वरूप गम गम भूत प्रपंच रहित निर्गुण पर ब्रह्म स्वरूप गम गम भूत प्रपंच रहित निज गुह निहित नितांत अनंत निज गुह निहित नितांत अनंत आनंद अतिशय अक्षय लिंग निज गुह निहित नितांत अनंत आनंद अतिशय अक्षय लिंग भो शंभो शिव शंभो स्वयंभो भो शंभो शिव शंभो स्वयंभो गंगाधर शंकर करुणाकर मामव भवसागर तारक भो शंभो शिव शंभो स्वयंभो भो शम्भो शिव शम्भो स्वयम्भो शिव शम्भो स्वयम्भो शिव शम्भो स्वयम्भो शिव शम्भो स्वयम्भो
நாதர் முடி மேலிருக்கும் நாகப்பாம்பே நச்சுப்பையை வைத்திருக்கும் நல்ல பாம்பே பாதாளத்தில் குடி போகும் பைக்குள் பாம்பே ஆடி பாடி நின்று விளையாடு பாம்பே ஆடு பாம்பே விளையாடு பாம்பே நீ ஆடு பாம்பே விளையாடு பாம்பே நீ ஆடு பாம்பே விளையாடு பாம்பே நீ ஆடு பாம்பே விளையாடு பாம்பே குற்றமற்ற சிவனார்க்கு குண்டலமானாய் குறும் திருமாலினிற்கு குடையானாய் கற்றை குழல் பார்வதிக்கு கங்கணமானாய் கரவாமல் நின்று விளையாடு பாம்பே நீயாடு பாம்பே 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 விளையாடு பாம்பே
I, Mahishasuran, the fierce king of demons, I have acquired the boon from Brahmadeva that I can be killed only by a lady. Numerous times, this weapon of mine has been bathed by blood. Her faith is to be killed by this blood-bathed weapon. It seems that the lady has already been born. I am waiting for her. What is happening?
You filthy demon Mahishasura, the symbol of evil. You have been a fear for the gods. You have killed multitudes of innocent human beings. It's time to end your evil reign by my powerful weapon. Be ready to see the face of death, Mahishasura.
You? Mere woman? He's going to kill me? We shall see whose weapon will see the face of death.
महालक्ष्मी महाकाली महाकन्या सरस्वती दशाष्टकभुजा देवी शुम्भासुरनिबर्हणी महिषासुरमर्दिनी महाप्रलयसाक्षिणी प्रसीद प्रसीद प्रसीद।
प्रियवासिनि हासरते शिखरि शिरोमणि तुंग हिमालय शृंग निजालय मध्यगते मधु मधुरे मधु कैतभ भञ्जनि कैतभ भञ्जिनि रासरते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते
जय जगदीश्वरी।
My humble pranamam to you, Devi Saraswati, goddess of wisdom. May I know the reason for your arrival?
Vishnu Patni, Lakshmi Devi, your darshanam itself is pure and fortunate.
Dhanalakshmi, goddess of wealth. Pranamam.
Devi Saraswati, I wish to express a suspicion. I doubt Lord Vishnu and Devi Ganga are having an illicit relationship.
Aren't you ashamed of even thinking in such a way? It is so disheartening to know that you, Devi Ganga, had been making an attempt to seize Lord Mahavishnu from innocent goddess Lakshmi.
Kindly do not put any allegations on me. I hold no responsibility on this.
Saraswati, what is this? Don't step down from your level.
Oh ho, so all the blame is now upon me? You will now be subjected to my curse. May you be born as a plant on earth.
Oh, really? Then I curse you that you become a stream that flows with filth of sinners.
As though you're perfect, I curse you to flow as a stream, washing off the sins of the sinners.
Mahavishnu, Deva, we have cursed each other and become sinners.
Devi Lakshmi, do not fear. Things have happened as predestined.
सकल देवनुते सरस्वती सामगान सुधे अम्ब 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 सकल देवनुते
अर्चिते ज्ञानदे शारदे शङ्कराचार्य पूजिते वेदारविन्दासने नमो सदा सकलदेवनुते सरस्वती सामगानसुते अम्ब सकलदेवनुते सरस्वती सामगानसुते
Swami Ayyappan's legendary story is beyond description. According to the older mythology, Sage Durvasa got enraged due to the impolite behavior of the Devas. He cursed the Devas that they would die old, ugly and unattended. Fearing this curse, they would lose everything. So, Devas appealed to the sage, asking for a recourse. Sage Durvasa then instructed them to drink the Amrit from Samudra Manthan. By having the Amrit, they would be eternal. It wasn't easy. Even the demons want to have the Amrit. According to the Puranas, Lord Vishnu deceives the demons by his female form, known as Mohini. Lord Shiva was overwhelmed with desire, which led to the birth of Harihara Putra, the son of Lord Vishnu and Lord Shiva, also called Ayyappan. They decided to give this child to the childless king of Pandalam. The child had a bell on his neck. His name became Manikandan. The king raised him as his own child in the kingdom of Pandalam. When Devalokam was seized by the ferocious demon goddess Mahishi, Lord Ayyappa killed her. Mahishi then turned into a beautiful woman, Leela, who is also called as Maligapuratam. She desired Manikandan, but he was focused on accomplishing his objectives. He promised to then place her beside him. At a very young age of 12, he made it obvious that he was fearless. He brought the tigress milk, seated on the tigers, followed by a herd of tigers. The king wanted to punish his diwan, who was responsible for Manikandan's exile to the forest. However, Manikandan advised restraint and unfolded that he has done everything in accordance with the divine order. Manikandan expressed his wish that a temple must be constructed in his memory. He shot an arrow towards the east, and that was the origin of Shabarimala. It was instructed that during Makara Sankranti, Lord Ayyappa's pure form as Dharmashastra's shrine was to be placed in Shabarimala, and thus it was indeed done by Parashuraman. Swami Ayyappan is seen seated on a Chinmudra hand gesture that reveals the sign of asceticism or the Tabo Bhava. This Yoga Mudra form conveys the aware of consciousness. Tattvamasi. Swamiye Sharanamayappa.
ശബരിമാമല വാഴുമയ്യപ്പ മണികണ്ഠ സ്വാമി ശരണമടിയങ്ങൾക്കു തൃച്ചരണം. ശബരിമാമല വാഴുമയ്യപ്പ മണികണ്ഠ സ്വാമി ശരണമടിയങ്ങൾക്കു തൃച്ചരണം. ചുമലിലേറ്റി വരുന്നിതടിയങ്ങൾ ഒരു പുണ്യ പാപ ചുമടിതഖിലവും ഇരുമുടിക്കേട്ടായി. സ്വാമിയേ അയ്യപ്പ ശരണം, സ്വാമിയേ ശരണം, സ്വാമിയേ അയ്യപ്പ ശരണം, സ്വാമിയേ ശരണം. ഹരിഹരസുതനായി പിറന്നു പന്തളം നൃപതി വളർത്തും പൊന്നുണ്ണിയായി. 18 പഠിച്ചു പന്തളം കളരി തന്നഭിമാനമായൊരുണ്ണി. സ്വാമിയേ അയ്യപ്പ ശരണം, സ്വാമിയേ ശരണം, സ്വാമിയേ അയ്യപ്പ ശരണം, സ്വാമിയേ ശരണം. പാലിനായി പോയി കാട്ടിലെ പുലി തൻ പുറത്ത് എഴുന്നള്ളിയുണ്ണി. പാവങ്ങൾക്കാശ്രയമായി പോരില വാവരെ തോൽപ്പിച്ചു തോളനാക്കി. സ്വാമിയേ അയ്യപ്പ ശരണം, സ്വാമിയേ ശരണം, സ്വാമിയേ അയ്യപ്പ ശരണം, സ്വാമിയേ ശരണം. മഹിഷിയെ പോരിൽ വധിച്ചു മോക്ഷം അരുളി കനിവാർന്നനുഗ്രഹിച്ചു. കലിയുഗ വരദനാമുണ്ണി ഞങ്ങളാ കഥ പാടി പടി കേറി വരുന്നു. ശബരിമാമല വാഴുമയ്യപ്പ മണികണ്ഠ സ്വാമി ശരണമടിയങ്ങൾക്കു തൃച്ചരണം. ചുമലിലേറ്റി വരുന്നിതടിയങ്ങൾ ഒരു പുണ്യ പാപ ചുമടിതഖിലവും ഇരുമുടിക്കേട്ടായി. സ്വാമിയേ അയ്യപ്പ ശരണം, സ്വാമിയേ ശരണം, സ്വാമിയേ അയ്യപ്പ ശരണം, സ്വാമിയേ ശരണം. ഓം ഹരിഹരസുതനയ്യനയ്യപ്പ സ്വാമിയേ ശരണമയ്യപ്പ.
I, Ravana, the king of demons and gods, I stand supreme above the abode of heaven, earth, another world. Even the gods fear me. Whosoever stands in my way as an obstacle to become the supreme power will surely be killed. My fierce footsteps will cover the earth. Devalok, this Kailasa, the abode of Lord Shiva, the supreme god of heavens, is nothing in front of me. I will lift and play with it.
Ravana, out of his arrogance and pride, tried to lift Mount Kailash. But Shiva pushed the mountain into place with his tall thumb and trapped Ravana beneath. Ravana gave a loud cry in pain. This Ravana pride came down.
जटाटवी गलज्जल प्रवाह पावितस्थले कलेवलम्ब्य लम्बितां भुजङ्गतुङ्गमालिकान्तमड्डमड्डमड्डमन्निनादवड्डमर्वयं चकार चण्डताण्डवं तनोतु नः शिव शिवम् जटाकटाह सम्भ्रम भ्रम निलिम्ब निर्झरी विलोल वीचि वल्लरी विराजमान मूर्धनि धगद्धगद्धगज्ज्वलल्ललाट पट्ट पावके किशोर चन्द्रशेखरे रति प्रतिक्षणम् जटाभुजंग पिंगल स्फुरत् फणामणि प्रभा कदम्ब कुङ्कुमद्रव प्रलिप्त दिग्वधूमुखे मदान्ध सिन्धुर स्फुरत्वगुत्तरीय मेदुरे मनो विनोदमद्भुतं बिभर्तु भूत भर्तरि ॐ नमः शिवाय सदा शिवं भजाम्यहं सदा शिवं भजाम्यहम् ॐ नमः शिवाय प्रफुल्ल नील पंकज प्रपंच कालिम प्रभावलंबि कंठ कंदली रुचि प्रबद्ध कंधरं स्मरच्छिदं पुरच्छिदं भवच्छिदं मखच्छिदं गजच्छिदान्धकच्छिदं तमन्तकच्छिदं भजे अखर्व सर्व मंगला कला कदम्ब मंजरी रस प्रवाह माधुरी विजृंभणा मधुव्रतं स्मरान्तकं पुरान्तकं भवान्तकं मखान्तकं गजान्तकान्धकान्तकं तमन्तकान्तकं भजे नित्यमेव मुक्तमुत्तमोत्तमं स्तवं पठन् स्मरन् ब्रुवन्नरो विशुद्धिमेति सन्ततं हरे गुरौ सुभक्तिमाशु याति नान्यथा गतिं विमोहनं हि देहिनां सुशङ्करस्य चिन्ता विमोहनं हि देहिनां सुशङ्करस्य चिन्ता विमोहनं हि देहिनां सुशङ्करस्य चिन्ता
पशुपतिं स्थाणुं नीलकण्ठं उमापतिं नमामि शिरसा देवं किं नो मृत्यु करिष्यति नीलकण्ठं कालमूर्तिं कालज्ञं कालनाशनं नमामि शिरसा देवं किं नो मृत्यु करिष्यति नमः शिवाय साम्बाय हरये परमात्मने प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय योगीनां पतये नमः नीलकण्ठं विरूपाक्षं निर्मलं निलयप्रभं नमामि शिरसा देवं किं नो मृत्यु करिष्यति वामदेवं महादेवं लोकनाथं जगद्गुरुं नमामि शिरसा देवं किं नो मृत्यु करिष्यति नमः शिवाय साम्बाय हरये परमात्मने प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय योगीनां पतये नमः देवदेवं जगन्नाथं देवेशं वृषभध्वजं नमामि शिरसा देवं किं नो मृत्यु करिष्यति गङ्गाधरं महादेवं सर्वाभरणभूषितं नमामि शिरसा देवं किं नो मृत्यु करिष्यति नमः शिवाय साम्बाय हरये परमात्मने प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय योगीनां पतये नमः अनाथ परमानन्दं कैवल्यपदगामिनं नमामि शिरसा देवं किं नो मृत्यु करिष्यति स्वर्गापवर्गदातारं सृष्टिस्थितिविनाशकं नमामि शिरसा देवं किं नो मृत्यु करिष्यति नमः शिवाय साम्बाय हरये परमात्मने प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय योगीनां पतये नमः उत्पत्तिस्थितिसंहार कर्तारमीश्वरं गुरुं नमामि शिरसा देवं किं नो मृत्यु करिष्यति मार्कण्डेयकृतं स्तोत्रं यः पठेत् शिवसन्निधौ तस्य मृत्युभयं नास्ति नाग्निर्जोरभयं क्वचित् नमः शिवाय साम्बाय हरये परमात्मने प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय योगीनां पतये नमः शतावृत्तं प्रकर्तव्यं सङ्कटे कष्टनाशनं शुचिर्भूत्वा पठेत् स्तोत्रं सर्वसिद्धिप्रदायकम् मृत्युञ्जय महादेव त्राहि मां शरणागतं जन्म मृत्युजरारोगैः पीडितं कर्मबन्धनैः नमः शिवाय साम्बाय हरये परमात्मने प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय योगीनां पतये नमः नमः शिवाय साम्बाय हरये परमात्मने प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय योगीनां पतये नमः विनाशाय योगिनां पतये नमः
Ancient mythologies has always tried to give the message on humanity with an unbiased approach. Every warfare on righteousness has been fought to demolish the evil. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu.
जटाकटाह संभ्रम भ्रमं निलिम्प निर्जरि विलोल वीचि वल्लरी विराजमान मूर्धनि
What a crescendo! The rhythm and melody continues differently as we move in life. Guru Saumya Prakash saw a dream of letting people pursue and accomplish what would make them happy. We just witness that happiness that flows on just by following one's passion, facing all challenges and stretching beyond to achieve that sense of accomplishment. Hats off to each one of you who made this event a memorable one. Let's put our hands together to show our appreciation to this entire team of Natya Mayuri and Pratibha Natya Kshetra. What a grand event. Oh my God, what a grand event. 3 cheers. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hip hip. I know you want the dance to go on, but we do have, to get back home. But to mark this day, we would like you to stay on when we give away the mementos.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. I want to say thank you to my parents, my children parents. Then especially, actually from long time in my mind, this type of a performance I am planning. But nobody was there to support me. I think 1 year before, I met Biju Bhai. He gave me the support and actually he supported me to make my dream come true. Thank you, Biju Bhai. Please come on the stage. And almost same way, Mr. Shaji Navarasa also helped me a lot. From last 2 weeks, they are staying till 2 o'clock with me to do the work of this dance drama. Really, I don't know how to say thank you to them, they both. And Kerala Social Center, they also helped me a lot. Daset and Mohandas sir, everyone, Biranguti sir, Justin, when I asked him, he came actually just I called him, he came and helped me. I didn't think that he will come like that, but really thank you, Justin. Everyone, all of you, and I planned this program on November. So from August, I am doing so many work behind this. I don't know how to say thank you, Hanifika, Redex Media. He gave me I don't know how to express that much support he gave me and my family, my husband, my mother, my sister, everyone. My daughter, at the last moment, she asked me she wanted to join with us. She was not before, in the beginning she was not there, but when she saw the practice, she wanted to join and she joined with me. Thank you all for the light, for everything. Thank you very much. I'm really thank you all to stay till this time. And thank you all the sponsors who support me, and I'm expecting the support next time also. Thank you very much. And Soundari, actually she is my student. Okay, she because of some reason she can't join with us. So I thought she is a good anchor also. So she support me like this. Thank you, Soundari.
Hope you're right. The scenes were set once.
And makeup, Roy sir also has support me. And Pink Paradise, Vinu, she also stitched so many dresses. Thank you, Vinu. And the last moment she helped me a lot. And Shaktivel sir, he did a nice drawing outside. Thank you, Shakti sir. Thank you everyone. If I missed anyone's name, please forgive me. Thank you very much.
As always, the eagerness and interest expressed by the audience is the most important reason for increasing creative pursuits. Please give a round of applause to yourself. You've been such a fantastic audience this evening. Wow, this stage is really filled with Devis now. Thanks to Roy Master and his team who put together, I actually feel, I don't know, it's a divine experience. Fantastic. I will just call the names as they come on stage and receive the memento from the teacher. As you know, the evening was special for these two sweet little girls who've had their engagement today. To mark that special day for them, the mementos will be handed over to Devyani Jayakumar, and Devamitra Ramesh. Pratibha Natya Kshetra had a dance competition, and we would like to give away the prizes of that competition now. The first prize was bagged by Aisha Anam. Aisha, there. She won the first prize. The second prize was bagged by Hansini Balusan. The second prize, again, there is another girl who's won it, Minha Shaheen. Minha Shaheen. All these little ones, they've spent so many hours dancing. It's okay for the elder ones to, stay up late. They try to manage schedules. These ones had to give up their regular dinner time, sometimes sleep times. They've literally worked so hard. And today, to mark the annual day participation, we would like to give away the mementos. Avantika Girish Pillai. Please keep on clapping till the sky falls down. Ashmita Suresh Kumar. Sushmita Suresh Kumar. Okay. Fatima Zia Kotolo. Angelina Rajesh Panikulam, Ganga Prasad Devanga, Sierra Dina Monsi, Sia, Tia and Manu. I didn't hear the clapping and the girls are a little sad about that. You all can clap for each other as well. Deekshita Anup, Ruth Sara Manoj, Meenakshi Krishnadas, Minha Shahim, Tarunika Palanikumar, Vaiga Anil Kumar Raki, Nityashree Shrikant, Irene Ann Thomas, Irene Ann Thomas, Nikita Mandala, Grishma Santosh, Irene Terese Agi, Shreya Ainapulli Ginesh, Srisha Sajesh, Shivani, Veda Harini, Deeta, Joanna Elsa Matthew, Bhavapriya Amit, Krishnika S, Kirti Lakshmi, Isabel Rose, Anna Maria Saju, Gayatri Pillai, Mega Rachel Thomas, Shivaja Sham, Akshada Vikraman, Aishwarya Rajendran, Niranjana Anil Kumar, Akshara Alokan. Yes, they're supposed to clap for each other. That doesn't give you all a break. Kartika B. Nair. Anamika Ajay. Sushma Prasad Menon. Sita Lakshmi Venugopal. Come on, girls, at least the ladies. Anusha Shivashankaran. More energy, ladies. Sujata Vidhi Satish Babu. Grishma Derin. Megha Girish. Megha Girish. Where is Megha? Shalia Biju. Anju Vikraman. Suja Devi Kishore. Shanti Gopakumar. Sunita Govindan Nair, our own Ravana. Ha ha ha. Shija Ambatu. Shija Ambat. Surya. Shija. The entrepreneur among us. As always, the Guru reminds you of your duty. I once again thank our sponsors for their support. Gemini Group, Lulu Exchange, Lulu Group, Malabar Gold, Ghee Rice Restaurant, Express Studio, White Feather, Holland Flowers, Al Sabil Group of Companies, and Best Cargo. A big thank you. Our special thanks to World Vision for being our channel partner and Redex Media, our media partner. Surya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Okay, she got up. Archana Govindan Nair. I think you should put your hands together once more. Deepthi, it is necessary to mention, Deepthi has a small baby who's been around and she still is pursuing her passion. Special thanks to her family too for their support. Her husband is trying to manage the kid somewhere around. Okay. Bindya Vikram. The professionals who are still pursuing their passion. Nobody needs to introduce this person, but then I have to. Aparna, our own Appu se. I wanted to tell the little story of Murugan, but Soumya teacher already cracked it. Let's have Vaibhavi. Vaibhavi. Durga Pillai, please come forward. We would like to say thank you in a different way for all the support and contribution to the following members. Of course, the man who made the dream possible, Mr. Biju. The wonders you saw on stage was a dream child from him. Thank you, Biju Bhai, as we call you. Oh. That's Biju Bhai for you. The man who dared to be with all the Shakti around, Mr. Jasir. He was truly the guiding force. Mr. Jasir, don't shy now. Oh, put your hands together, girls. Yeah, let's hear it for him. I should thank Biju for adding one more member to our family. Thank you, Biju Bhai. We would like to show our appreciation to Shaji. I did speak about him. Yeah, there he is. Now you see him on stage. Our special appreciation to the Assistant Director, Miss Nisha VK, who spent hours and hours just living the dream. Not just dance, not just home, not the son and the husband to manage, not the demanding boss and the testing guru at times, not just dance, but English translation as well. Mrs. Miduna Srikanth. Like I said, half of our divinity has come on our face because of this magician. Mr. Roy Marsh, let's have you on stage. Come on, girls, you look so pretty, don't you? The dubbing artists added a special flavor to the entire rendition of the drama. We'd like to thank them. Mr. Girish R. Pillai, thank you so much, sir. Miss Rashmi Gopinath. We'd like to have Mr. Justin, who's brought light into our lives. Can we have Mr. Justin on stage as well? Mr. Justin? Now most wanted. So once again, everybody together, pose for the. We couldn't have done all this without the support we've received from Kerala Social Centre. We'd like them to come on stage to receive a memento on this occasion. Yeah. We'd like to have RedX Media, a representative, please, to come on stage. You've really been very supportive for us. You've been capturing the right angles, I should say. Thank you very much. Our channel partner, Mr. Baburaj of World Vision, or any representative of World Vision, please. If you can come on stage and receive the memento on behalf of World Vision. Thank you. And for the last time, for this occasion, now one last time, all of you all together, on stage, while we clap for you, and we have the
And who all helped me to do this? Thank you all. KC, Ravi Chetan, Srinivasan Chetan, all of you, thank you very much.